Hello everyone, welcome back to the Flying Fish channel. This is a boat that we just finished, 16 foot. I'm gonna go over all the details of the boat. We actually changed some things since the first boat we built. I'll go over the details of every step of the boat. Please like and subscribe and follow. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below or give me a call at 239-677-1333. So the first thing we did is we actually extended the front deck about 6 inches longer. So you have a lot more casting room, a lot more deck room. We also extended the rear deck another 6 inches out. We went with white on white. All LED lights. All right, let's get into the bilge. The boat is plumbed, ready to go. Has a live well pump. This is 750 gallon per hour automatic bilge pump. Your drain for your live well is right here. Comes with your anchor light. Pull up cleats. This is where you would run your steering cables already run. This is where you would run your throttle. Fuel line right through here. This is the back storage. Has LED lights. Plenty of storage in here. A 3-gallon tank fits in here, no problem. You can put life jackets, tackle box. I mean, it's very large storage. Floor drains. We actually build little channels that go all the way out into the bilge. This is your live well. Painted blue. Another pull-up cleat. Your front storage, you can put your life jackets, safety gear. Once again, I mean, plenty of room for plenty of storage on these little boats. This is a fiberglass cap. You can mount a trolling motor to it. It comes pre-wired for trolling motor. This one we added 2 rod holders. These will drain to the bottom of the boat, and we do run a pipe that goes all the way through the subfloor to the bilge. So now I'm going to go over a little bit of the construction of the boat, how we build them, what we do. Everything is 100% hand-laid fiberglass. I cannot stress that enough. 100% hand-laid fiberglass. There's no chop gun. It's all hand-laid. The hull, the decks, the floor, everything. Tabbing, everything is 100% hand-laid. So here is your first bulkhead. Goes all the way to the bottom of the boat. We tab it together. Underneath this is a false floor. It is foam filled all over. We do run drain pipes and we do run wires for the electrical all the way to the front of the boat, so you have plenty of room to run more lights, electrical, whatever you like. We do put 2 more rod holders here. Same thing with the rear bulkhead. This goes all the way down to the bottom of the boat. It is tabbed together on the sides and the bottom of the boat for extra strength. So on the sides, we build little boxes on the side of the boat from here all the way to the back of the boat for added strength, and we foam fill the sides. The boat is solid. Inside's all the electrical. I have a small test battery in here just to test all the electrical to make sure it works before we send them off. Nice clean wiring. So the console has 2 LED lights, so that way you can have the floor lit up at night. Every compartment has an LED light in it. blue. The live well also has a light that is run with a pump, so it automatically turns on. There's the light. The front storage compartment also has a light. So if you ever want to go night fishing, early morning, you have a light on the boat. This is our Skinny 16 in white. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, please feel free to send me a text message, give me a phone call, leave a comment. My phone number is 239-677-1333. Thanks for watching.